Welcome to my channel.
Hi kids, welcome to Kids Educational Vibes, where learning is fun. Today we're going to meet some amazing snakes from around the world. Don't worry, they're friendly on screen. Let's slither into the fun. Cobra. Cobras can lift their heads and spread their hoods. Python. Pythons are giant snakes that squeeze, not bite. Anaconda. Anacondas are the heaviest snakes in the world. Boa constrictors. Boa constrictors hug their prey tightly. King cobra. King cobras are the longest venomous snakes. Coral snake. Coral snakes have colorful red, yellow, and black stripes. Green tree python. Green tree pythons live in trees and are bright green. Garter snake. Garter snakes are harmless and often found in gardens. Black mamba. Black mambas are super fast snakes from Africa. Milk snake. Milk snakes have beautiful red, black, and white colors. Sea snake. Sea snakes swim in the ocean with a paddle-like tail. Hognose snake. Hognose snakes play dead when they feel scared. Bush viper. Bush vipers look like little dragons with spiky scales. Vine snake. Vine snakes are super thin and blend with tree branches. Carpet python. Carpet pythons have pretty patterns like a carpet. Sand boa. Sand boas love to burrow and hide in the sand. Water moccasin. Water moccasins, or cottonmouths, love to swim. Eyelash viper. Eyelash vipers have tiny scales above their eyes like eyelashes. Indigo snake. Indigo snakes shine a beautiful blue color.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.